Hello everyone. The ingredients we need are all-purpose flour 3 cup, butter 2 bar, it's a half cup butter in 1 bar, 8 equals to 8 tablespoon, and milk we need to knead the dough as required, 1 egg, salt to taste and 1 teaspoon of sugar. First I will cut the butter. It's refrigerated butter, the cold one. Don't melt your butter, otherwise your pie crust will not be flaky and in good texture. So I will cut the butter with knife, and the butter should be this much hard. You can see when you break it, it should be this much hard, and make the cubes like this. I've made the cubes. Now we will mix it to the flour. Now take your flour, mix all the dry ingredients. Now add your butter to the flour, and you have to mix it like this.
So do we need to crush the butter?
Yes, we need to crush the butter in small chunks, but don't use your hands, because with the hand the butter will melt because of the heat. So it will not give you the exact texture of the pie. It's ready. You can see the grains of the butter in the flour. It should be grainy like this to make the perfect texture of the crust. Now we will add the wet ingredients and knead the dough. Crack the egg. Now add the egg to the flour. And mix it like this. Now add the milk little by little, because we don't want to make the dough runny, and mix it in the same way. Now just combine the dough like this. It should be flaky like this, and on dry side it will be fine when we refrigerate it. You don't have to knead the dough, otherwise it will make gluten in it and it will become stretchy, and the pie crust will not give you the same texture you need. Take a wrap like this and wrap your dough in it. Wrap the dough in it. And now we will refrigerate it for at least 1 hour. After 1 hour, I took out the dough from the refrigerator. Now I will roll the dough. First you have to soften the dough like this with hands. Then I will roll it. Sprinkle some dry flour. Then roll the dough. Join the cuts like this. Sprinkle some flour on the top. And turn the side. I've rolled the dough. It's ready to set in the pan, and you can see it's this much thin. Now take your dough, place it over the pan, set it like this. After you set it in the pan, cut the extra from the sides like this.